Conclusion. Working after retirement can provide great opportunities to work on your own terms. Companies appreciate the value older workers bring to the table. There are many ways you can work online. You can work on your own terms. You can work on your own schedule, because the internet has just made remote work so much more flexible and lucrative. You can also look into building passive income systems. If you are sick and tired of having to actively work for your money, creating online passive income through online publishing and other methods is definitely a great option. With that said, use the information above to zero in on remote income options that make the most sense in your situation. You can take a long, hard look at your personal circumstances and look for the right fit. Just because other people are doing it and generating good results, it doesn't necessarily mean that it would be right for you. You have to look at the totality of the situation. Make sure that everything fits just right so you can take advantage of the right opportunities and produce the right outcome. The best part? You got to learn something new. Just because you're a little older doesn't necessarily mean you have to be old. People become old when they shut their minds to new possibilities. People become old when they refuse to learn. People become old when they become stubborn and insist on hanging on to what they think they know. When you put yourself out there as an online worker, you basically get paid to learn. You basically get paid to push out of your mental and emotional comfort zone, and things become possible. You start looking at the world with a tremendous amount of possibility and a sense of adventure.